Hi, this is emergency. I'm calling for a humanitarian intervention in Nasir and Ulang. We have women and children who are suffering. They need food, they need medical supplies. And to ICRC and everyone, we are calling the World Vision and every organizations that happen to be in that area. We need humanitarian intervention at the moment. This is the time of emergency. When people talk about emergency, then this is a time of emergency. Unless if there's a specific context or specific story that needs to be done about this. And to me here, the South Sudan situation is deteriorating every day. And the whole world is keeping quiet. We are calling everyone. We are calling Russia's government. We are calling America government. We are calling all the strong, the IGAD, the UN, everyone. We need peace in South Sudan. And this time, we want a permanent peace. We don't want a peace that is going to be negotiated without accountability, because a lot of things have been done in South Sudan. Our resources have been used by individual people, and there's no accountability. So we want a peace. If there's any peace that is going to be negotiated, we want peace that will last for long. A peace that will have accountability. Everybody that have justice have to be served in any peace that you are going to call next. So we are tired as South Sudanese. We want peace. We want to be happy. We want to enjoy the beautiful nation that God gave us. So emergency, we need humanitarian supplies in Nasir and Ulang. Thank you.